Hello everyone, welcome to the How To channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to know if someone saved your number on Telegram. Now guys, the first thing you're going to do is to head over to your Telegram. And guys, once you're here, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left hand corner of your screen. And then you're going to be tapping on settings. Guys, after tapping on settings, you want to tap on privacy and security. Now you are going to scroll down to where you see sync contacts. I'm going to toggle this off, and then guys, when you are done toggling this off, now this is how you find out if someone actually saved your contact. Now when you go to the person's profile, tap on their profile picture at the top left hand corner of the screen. You'll notice that the person's number shows there as info. The number shows there as info. So I'm going to be showing you for someone who did not save my contact. Now when you tap on this person and you tap on their profile picture at the top left hand corner of your screen, you're going to notice that on the info there it writes unknown. There is no number being shown there. This shows that this person did not add me up on Telegram. Now guys, I really hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the How To channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.